Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So the euro yen, I do believe, is a 1, 2, 3 pattern. I still think we're in a wave 3, and I still don't see any evidence that the wave 3 is over. I mean, this possibly could stress out a little bit more before we actually make that bigger correction, wave 4, and then another push up for wave 5 to complete this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, we may actually be in a wave 5 or wave 3 now. It kind of looks like well, the main wave 1 and wave 2 is back here, but I think this is a subdivision 1, 2 of 3. This is probably a wave 3 of 3 up here someplace. We maybe have a 4 of 3. This could easily be a wave 5 of wave 3. If that's the case, then it probably would bounce off one of these two Fibonacci extension levels and start a pretty big move to the downside for the main wave 4 and the main wave 5 like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame, I still think that the trend is up. I left this Fibonacci retracement here just so I could show you guys that we are beyond the 78% Fibonacci retracement. Pretty much any time price goes beyond 78% of the move up or move down, the previous move up or down, that pretty much always tells you that it will end up breaking the previous highs. So I do still think that this is in an uptrend, and I definitely still am going to be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we are very, very clearly in a 1, 2, 3 right here. So just to end this sets in a trend, it's going to have to, make a wave 4 and a wave 5. I mean, maybe the wave 4 is starting. I wouldn't really try to sort it yet because there's always a possibility that it could just keep on drifting up. But it does seem pretty likely that maybe, this week or early next week we'll start a bigger wave 4, maybe similar to the size of the wave 2, and then maybe one more push up for the wave 5. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, 1 hour time frame, it does look kind of convincing that maybe this wave 3 is over. It's probably going to go down, make a trend for wave A, probably going to go up and make a corrective wave B, and then probably down again, make another downtrend for a wave C. If you see a nice ABC pattern like this, then it's probably the wave 4, and then you see a break of structure, then that would be the best opportunity to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. Now, you definitely could trade at the end of this wave B. I mean, that would be a really good short, and then you could exit your short when the wave C is over and then go long again for the continuation of the uptrend, which probably would be a wave 5. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.